Hello everyone. In previous video we discussed how we can get the value from a drop down. In this video we will discuss how we can use the nth-child and how much it is helpful while finding the specific value. So let's start. For this video, uh, I just launched an actual website. We will find the element from this. We will work on these three buttons. Okay, first of all we have to find parent class. We go there, start jQuery to check our CSS selector is no, this is not a class. Select the wrong class. This is the right class. Maybe let's check it out. Yeah, this is the right class. Okay, we have to find for example we are going to click on sign in button. Okay, let's find the sign in. These three buttons, first one this, second one this, third one this. Okay, these have the same class, which nav dash item. Let's copy, and this showing me three response, 1 2 3, but I have to select the second one. How we can do that? For that we will use nth-child. Nth-child, and I have to use the second one, so I have to use second, first, second, third, so I will use second. Let's enter, check. It's showing me the sign in button. Okay, let's copy and open Chrome. Okay, I have already provided the value here, so let's execute, provide the URL, maximize the video window, and execute it. Let's check it's working or not. Maximize the window, sign in button clicked. Okay, it's working fine. In this video we discussed that we can use nth-child whenever we face an issue regarding the same class used on different values. So we can easily use this and get our specific value, but we are where we are going to perform more action. So if you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. I will upload more videos. Thank you. Take care.